If you've got a car sitting in your driveway more than you're driving it, you're literally sitting on a money-making machine. Today, I'm going to walk you through, step by step, exactly how you can rent out your car, earn extra cash, and turn it into a reliable income stream. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do and how to start. Let's get into it. Step 1. Choose your rental method. There are 3 main ways to rent out your car: peer-to-peer platforms like Turo, Getaround, and HireCar. These work just like Airbnb. You list your car, set your price, and renters book through the app. The platform handles payments and usually provides insurance. Private rentals to people you know or through Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist. You keep all the money, but you also take on all the risk. Long-term rentals to drivers for Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, or Amazon Flex. Platforms like HireCar connect you with gig workers who need a vehicle, often paying weekly. Step 2. Get your car ready. Before you list your car, it needs to be in top shape. Make sure it's mechanically sound and up to date on maintenance. Clean it inside and out. Great photos get more bookings. Take clear, well-lit pictures from multiple angles, including the interior. Step 3. Set up your listing. On platforms like Turo, title and description, be honest and highlight features like great gas mileage, phone chargers, or leather seats. Price. Check what similar cars rent for in your area. You can start slightly lower to attract your first renters and raise it as reviews come in. Availability. You control your calendar. Some people rent only on weekends, others do it full-time. Step 4. Understand the money economy cars might earn $25 to $50 per day. Luxury cars can bring in $100 to $500 per day. Renting to a gig driver can bring $200 to $500 per week. Remember, your earnings depend on location, demand, and how often you rent. Step 5. Protect yourself. Use the platform's insurance or get your own commercial rental coverage. Set mileage limits to avoid excess wear. Require security deposits if renting privately. Document your car's condition with photos before and after each rental. Step 6. Deliver great service. Communicate quickly with renters. Offer extras like airport delivery, car seats, or phone mounts for a small fee. Keep your car clean and well-maintained to get 5-star reviews, which boost your visibility and bookings. Step 7. Scale your side hustle. Once you've got consistent bookings and you're comfortable with the process, you can expand. Buy a second or third car just for renting. Specialize in high-demand cars in your city. For example, convertibles in beach towns or SUVs in ski areas. Automate cleaning, handoff, and maintenance so it runs like a real business. Watch for seasonal spikes. Holidays and local events mean higher prices. If you use Turo or Getaround, take advantage of their dynamic pricing tools. Always track your expenses for tax deductions like maintenance, insurance, and depreciation. That's it. Your complete blueprint for making money renting out your car. Whether you want to make a few $100 a month or build a full fleet, it starts with taking that first step, listing your car. Your driveway could be your next income stream, and now you know exactly how to make it happen.